In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare two surveys in SurveyMonkey so you can combine results, spot patterns, and discover useful connections between datasets. This is especially helpful if you ran two different surveys and want to see how the answers line up without manually sorting through everything yourself. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for the multi-survey analysis option. This is the feature SurveyMonkey uses to let you work with more than one survey at a time. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to explore the main navigation because it may appear under your data or analysis tools. After you click multi-survey analysis, SurveyMonkey will take you into its data studio area. This is where you can combine, compare, and discover connections across surveys. The whole idea here is to bring multiple survey results into one place so you can analyze them together instead of treating each survey as a separate report. Now, in the analysis workspace, choose the surveys you want to compare. Make sure the surveys you select are the ones you actually want to evaluate side by side. Once they're added, SurveyMonkey will organize the data so you can start looking for similarities, differences, and trends across the responses. At this point, you can begin combining and comparing the surveys inside the multi-survey analysis tool. This is useful if you want to compare response patterns, audience feedback, or outcomes from different campaigns. You can use it to uncover connections that may not be obvious when looking at one survey at a time. One important thing to know is that this feature requires an upgraded plan, so if you click in and notice that the option is locked, that's normal. SurveyMonkey makes multi-survey analysis available only on higher tier plans, so you'll need to upgrade before you can use the compare feature fully. If you're deciding whether to upgrade, think about how often you compare survey results. If you regularly run customer feedback surveys, employee surveys, or event surveys, this tool can save a lot of time and make your reporting much easier. Instead of exporting data manually, you can keep everything inside SurveyMonkey and analyze it in one workflow. So the process is really simple. Go to SurveyMonkey, click Multi-Survey Analysis, use the Combine and Compare tools in Data Studio, and make sure your plan includes access to the feature. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to compare two surveys and find insights much faster. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and let me know in the comments what tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.